God have mercy upon us.
What are you doing?
I do my baby happy. You put it.
You're giving your baby what?
But you put it.
With it.
You
Why?
put it.
Why? Because he's hungry. Why now? Why are you giving him with it?
No.
You don't know. Okay. So it's only your baby that know how to eat biscuits.
No.
Who again? Ah. Mommy. So you don't want to give me biscuits? Mommy, you don't want to give me biscuits? Mommy, stand up. Let us see you now. Stand up. Let us see. Wow. Ew. Ew. Endorsement. Ew. It's mommy. Ew. Mommy, that's no.
God have mercy upon us.
Mommy, are you happy?
Yes.
Leave it. Take another one now. Leave it. Mommy, leave it. Yeah, take another one. Mommy, you stop biscuit, yeah?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Yes.
You're giving your tata. What are you doing?
Eating my butter sweets.
Talk now. I want to hear. What are you doing?
I'm eating my baby sweets.
Okay, you're giving your baby sweets.
God have
Baby
mercy
sweet.
upon us.
Biscuit. Wow. That is good. Okay. Did you give me small? Did you give me small? You give me. Wow. Thank you. Okay.
Wait, that's friend. I'm not cook. Into the got shut up. I'll probably say friend.
Okay. How can I wait till your friend? Can you hear me? Look me finish. Oh, you look at me finish. You are doing me the mouth. You too.
You got it that time.
Let me see your baby. Holy Ghost, Father. Holy Ghost.
Fire.
Holy Ghost.
Fire.
Holy Ghost.
Fire. Fire.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye. Let's go.